Hello and welcome back to TF Delicacies. This week we are going to be making Rajma with Kulchas. Get ready to make this extremely delicious dish with us. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to be needing long red kidney beans, around 2 cups. Into this, you're going to be adding 500 milliliters of water. Wash it well and soak it for 6 hours. 6 hours later. As you can see here, the Rajma has soaked well. You can pressure cook it or cook it in a pot. It's your choice. Here, we're taking a pressure cooker. Put the kidney beans into the pressure cooker and pour around 700 milliliters of water. To make them even more soft, we're going to be boiling them. After 3 to 4 whistles, check on your kidney beans. Pinch them with your fingers to see if they have softened. If they haven't, keep it on low for a few more minutes. Now, to make the masala, we're going to be using 1 whole onion, 2 red tomatoes, a handful of fenugreek, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Rajma masala, 2 tablespoons of dry coconut powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, and 2.5 tablespoons of oil. And also salt to your taste. Pour some oil, and this is again optional. You can grind your onion and add it into the oil. Or you can just add chopped up onions. And cook it until it's light brown. Once it is light brown, add the ginger and garlic paste. Cook this again until it's completely brown. Then add the tomato puree and a little bit of water. Close the lid and cook it on medium heat for 10 minutes. It's time to add the spices. Then close the lid again and let it cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix it again. Add more water so the masala has time to cook. Close the lid again and let it cook for another 5 minutes. You know your masala is ready when the excess oil has floated to the top, which means it's finally time to add in the Rajma. Mix it well and add salt to your taste. Add the Rajma powder and some fresh fenugreek. Mix it until well incorporated. Final touch, add the cream cheese. Let it simmer on low heat. Mix this until the cream cheese has dissolved. Garnish this with fresh cilantro and serve it with kulchas. Here you have it, the most creamy and delicious Rajma. You don't have to eat this with kulchas, you can eat it with rice, roti, anything you want. If you want to see how the kulchas are made, click on the eye in the upper right corner. Time to try it. This tastes amazing.
Comment down below what you think of this recipe. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.